Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1974 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in this really attractive, sort of a port wine red with a black interior, 4-speed, wire wheels, chrome luggage rack, black top boot, tonneau cover. Pretty good little car. We just purchased it recently and had it detailed. It came up really lovely. So really good paint, really nice interior, mechanically great. We're gonna be taking it for a test drive. I've driven it around locally here, and good running driving car, and also a wire wheeled option car. So final year for the chrome bumpered Roadster. Walking around this car, you know, real nice glossy paint. I do see just a couple little chips touched up in a few spots. Little ding, but you know, just real easy, normal use. Just general, you know, wear and tear on the car for being painted and enjoyed. So you know, real attractive little car, especially on these wire wheels. It sits nicely. Good panel fit. I'm just taking you around here, show you what's going on. Really good panel fit here. Usually the trunk lids, they bump up here against the body because of the stay mechanism, but this just fits beautifully. So came from a really good home, well taken care of by an older owner. You know, typical story, just wasn't using it enough to justify keeping it anymore. So we purchased the car, we brought it in, and here it is for sale in California. So really good little car here. Newer windshield. This is a newer tinted glass windshield. It had a newer rubber installed. I like these original OEM stainless door mirrors. Beautiful black top boot. Top's in really good condition, so you don't have to do a top on this car. Chrome's decent. The luggage rack has just a little bit of corrosion in the corners here, but you know, that could be replated or replaced. That's an easy one. Bright works pretty good. Nice wheel and tire set. Like I said, it's fitted with those 14-inch wire wheels, which really makes a British car what it is, with these spoke wheels. Original grille, set of spot lamps or fog lamps. So really good looking car. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So black upholstery, door panel here looks like it's the original. The arm bar, wow, even that looks really good. But yeah, nice door panel and arm bar. Visors are in nice shape. This car, the dashboard looks great. It is wearing a dash cap, which has been nicely installed, but really nice center console. Great upholstered seats, nice carpets. Like I said, nice top. Door seals are in good condition. It's fitted with this lovely, smaller sports steering wheel. It's probably a 14-inch or somewhere around there. But yeah, these are really fun cars to drive. You got a lot of leg room for if you're a taller, bigger driver. Easily move your legs around that steering wheel. You got plenty of room. Speedo reads 28,984, but we don't have any documentation to prove if that's original low mileage. But like I said, the car mechanically drives good. I was laying underneath taking photos. It looks like all the front end was rebushed. Good exhaust system. Slight bit of corrosion on the passenger's front footwell there, but you know, easily repaired. Inners and outers look great. Really good solid car underneath. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. Yeah, so under here we've got a very nice running engine. Pretty clean. We steam cleaned it. It could take, you know, maybe some extra light detailing to scrub and polish and tidy up, but pretty good clean engine compartment. Like I said, great running engine. We're going to be posting that driving video. Good fitting hood. We're going to be posting that driving video next week after the holiday. But like I said, I've driven it, runs and drives great. Let's take a look in the trunk. The trunk is is fitted with all the original equipment, jack, tonneau rail, tonneau, spare tire, books, manuals. There's an extra, this is the original steering wheel that came off the car. You know, you can fit a black carpet kit to the trunk. That's an easy dress-up item from Moss Motors. So, but yeah, lovely MGB, ready to go for summer driving right now. Super good value. These cars are increasing and getting more and more desirable because they're just such an affordable classic, and they're super good, comfortable running, driving, touring cars, especially for nice summer weather here. But there it is, 1974 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in this attractive port wine red with a black interior. It's a 4-speed car, luggage rack, wire wheels, great running, driving car, very nice top in black, top boot, tonneau cover, all the weather equipment, good glass, rubber, just a nice all-around excellent driver. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.